The ninth question says, find angles between the lines this and this. Okay. So for finding angles between two lines, we are not given the slopes directly. Had we given the slopes directly, we could have directly used the result tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2 and its modulus. The angle will be theta and pi minus theta. The angles will be this and this using this formula. But here we are not given the slopes directly, okay. So can we find the slopes? Yes, we can find the slopes. So I would like to give you one more idea over here, some additional thing, yes. So you already remember that y is equal to mx plus c. In this equation, the slope is equal to m and the y-intercept is equal to c, right. This is something which you already know, and we have been converting equations in this form, right, for finding the slope. But do you recall that if you have ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, can you rearrange this? You will always be able to rearrange this as by is equal to minus a x minus c, and this will be equal to y is equal to minus a by b x minus c by b, right? This is what you will be rearranging it as. And for this particular line, yes, this is the slope. So slope is equal to minus a by b. This is the important thing that I want to discuss with you. Just as a check, you can always write the slope as minus of coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Take the ratio of coefficient of x, coefficient of y, and add a extra minus over there. Multiply with an extra minus and you get the slope in all such cases, right? So slope of this line will be root 3 upon 1 with a minus, that becomes minus root 3. This will be 1 upon root 3 with an extra minus, it will be minus 1 by root 3. Yes, we can always find a slope using those ideas over there. Okay, but then will we use this? Since this is not directly given in the NCERT, we can skip this. We can use this also. We can always use this one, right? But in future for competitive exams, you'll prefer using this one, mind you. Right. So keeping this in mind, you can observe how simple was that. So L1 is root 3x plus y is equal to 1, which tells me y is equal to minus root 3x minus root 3x plus 1. This tells me m1 is equal to minus a square root of 3. That's the first slope, right? After rearranging this, L2 is x plus root 3y is equal to 1, which converts to y equals to, okay, you have root 3y actually, minus x plus 1, and this tells me y is equal to minus 1 by root 3 x plus 1 by root 3, which tells me m2 is equal to minus 1 by root 3. This is what I was interested in. M2 is minus 1 by root 3. So we have M1 and M2, and now I can apply the idea of tan theta to give me the angle between the two lines. Now I can apply that idea of tan theta, right? That formula is discussed in the NCERT before exercise 10.1, and we have discussed this formula before in exercise 10.1 as well for questions related to that, right? So tan theta will be equal to m1 minus m2, which is minus root 3, and plus 1 by root 3. Minus or minus will become plus upon 1 plus m1 m2. This is what we have. Take a modulus over here. This becomes equal to what? Minus 3 plus 1, which is minus 2 by root 3, upon this is 1 plus 1 and its modulus. What is that? 2. So 2 by 2 root 3 is what I get, which becomes 1 by root 3. This is what I get. Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore, theta is equal to pi by 6 or pi minus pi by 6, which is 5 pi by 6. That's the angle between two lines. How do we get that? Pi minus pi by 6. Because for any two lines intersecting, if one angle is theta, the other angle will be surely pi minus theta. Right? Right? The modulus gives us the acute angle directly. The obtuse angle can be obtained using this. Right? Linear pair is formed over there and all. Right? That's the idea behind this. That's question number 9 for us and the complete solution of this question.